Okay, just a heads up and an update. We have arrived at Dobbies to check out how they're getting on with the chargers. Got the guys now from Rock putting them all in and getting them all ready, so we're definitely getting there, as you can see there. And before anyone says that generator's not to run these, get real, kids. So as far as I know, they are ready to go. Hello. And from what I can see there, let's get a bit nearer. Chademo, CCS and AC. So yeah, that's about all I can tell you. That's where we are so far at Dobbies, and they're putting all the leads in the lines down the back end there. So they're getting on with it. So I don't think they'll be that long now before they're actually in use and ready to go, to be fair. So that's all got to be good news for everyone with an EV around the Leicestershire area, especially if you come to Dobbies. Okay, these are the GridServe units now ready to go, and if you notice, all the barriers are up. I'm actually parked in one here. Again, 3 blue there. I'm in a green, and then regular blue again. I've got a feeling these larger bays will be for vans or for disabled preference. So there you go, we are nearly there, and I would guess that these will be turned on very, very soon. And that's at Dobbies. There's your update. Okay guys, some more good news regarding chargers in Loughborough. Just come into the Shell here on the Belton Road, and this lovely lady in here, give me a wave. Yes, that's you can see a reflection. She's just informed me that there is going to be 8 EV chargers in here, which is going to be good. So I'm going to get this on film and get in about the chargers going in. Okay. Yeah, 8. Yeah, be good. Magic. So 8 are going in. There's all the rules and regs of the site. Be about 8 to 10 weeks, I've been told. Early September. So this is where they're going to go. This is why we can't use the car wash at the moment, and they're going along this back end and along here, as you can see. So great of Shell to do this for Loughborough. So yeah, that's where we are so far. I'll come back down and do another update at some other times. That's the Shell on Belton Road. Well, I'm having a fast walk to the Shell down here. This is the old Wickes building here, by the way, right next to it. I don't know who's going in there. I think it's B&M or somebody. Anyway, moving on, this is what we've come for. Shell chargers, where we are with it, how they're getting on. Update on this very day. So let's get across here and have a look. Just like I say, this is where all the main dealers are of all the cars. Mercedes, Kia, Volkswagen Group, Toyota, Vauxhall down the bottom. So that's where it is. It's called Belton Road. All you locals watching this will know. So here we are. They've come to a stop or what, I don't know what's going on, but looks all the same to me. Ah, there's all your cables, look. There's all your cables routing in. So they've laid all the cables for it, which is good news. That's who seems to be doing it or helping along with it. So yeah, nobody here working today, which is a bit weird. There's your main powerhouse, and then all your cables coming out of it, and you can see where all the cables are across there, look. But that's about as much as I can show you today. Not a lot more to be seen. Well, it's quite obvious that the chargers are going to go over there. It looks like there's going to be a canopy as well above it. You can see that. I'd hope to think there's going to be a canopy. So yeah, that's as far as we are at the Shell on this very day. Coming on, but no one here, so it has slowed down. So yeah, next update very soon. Oh, look at that stupid noise. Thank God they'll be gone soon. Dear oh dear. Well, we're back again for a just a free latte that we have from these places. Again, we're back at Dobbies. Yeah, you've got it. They are still not working. They are still not hooked up. Still waiting for National Grid or whoever we're waiting for. But it just seems ridiculous. You get to this point and then you just can't use them. So they're the medium power. Down the bottom, they're the high power. But that's all I can tell you. You can actually see, if you look closely underneath the green canvas things there, that you can see the blue neon at the bottom there. If you look closely, let me just go up and show you. As you can see, look, so they're glowing, ready to go, but they're just not ready to go. Crazy. That's it. That's all I can tell you. Well, hiya guys, here's a giveaway for you from Instavolt. Go down to the App Store, download their app. It's so easy. There it is there. You're looking at it there on your left-hand side. Get that downloaded on the store, and then once you've put your details in and you've used the app once on a charge, you will get £5 free of charge. Just use that code there, YD, capital C, M, capital W, to get the £5 credit on your account. There's a free one for you. Okay, welcome back. Just a quick update on the Shell down at Belton Road. You've seen me doing these updates every couple of weeks. Still the same really down there. Nothing much has changed. There is now a big wooden fence at about 10 foot tall going round somewhere. Now I'm not sure if that's going to be around the chargers or it's just to hide all the containers and the cabling and everything else that's there at the moment. I've no idea. But they are still at least 3 to 4 weeks away. So yeah, mid-October minimum now, I believe. Good news is, I've had the nod that yesterday came on power the Dobby chargers that I've been ranting about for a while. So let's get up there, have a look, and see if things are operational, which would be great if they are. Well, we're back at GridServe. We're back at Dobbies. We have some good news. They're actually working. Finally, they've done it. This is what took their time, doing all this here. Getting all it flattened out and whatever. You see the mini digger still here, look, and whatever. They were doing this, 4 days ago. Yeah, so it's all up and running. So we put the Tesla up. We're not going to charge at this present time because I did it this morning. So I'm just going to walk down here, give you a wider span. There's a Nissan Leaf charging here, which is cool to see, and he's obviously on CHAdeMO, a bit different from CCS. So they've all got CCS, like I said before. In fact, these are CCS this side. Actually, I'm getting a bit confused here, folks, because there's a difference between some of these. Let's have a walk down to this one here. Yes, this is the one that's also got AC, CHAdeMO, CCS. Others haven't. Others have only got CCS. Yeah, okay. Confusing, there you go. GridServe. Details. Dual charging, medium power. Dual charging, there you go. That says it all, isn't it? Let's have a walk down to these down here. Well, at least this is done. This is now Saturday. I'll put the date up on the screen because I'm not sure what the date is. These are your more high power outputs. Let's have a go. Yeah, these are your high power. Bit different, got a bigger screen on these, look. Still cardless, and basically the instructions how to do it. So this finalises this actual video because I've been waiting for this to get done for a long time. So if you're in the area of Leicestershire, near Loughborough, between Loughborough and Leicester, on the A6 bypass, these are all now up and running. Okay, let's have a look at the screen here. Yeah, this guy is 98% charged. This is how it all works on these GridServes. 6 kilowatt hour, 69p per kilowatt hour, and he's been on here for 44 minutes. That's his Nissan Leaf charging with the new Chademo. So that's it, folks. That is it from Dobbies. And there you go, that's the place to look for. And there's plenty to choose. And so all these fossil fuel cars now shouldn't be parking here. I'll guarantee there'll be one or two that will. There's always a fool. Right, that's it for me. Glad that they're working. I'm out of here.